So this HEK 293 cell line was used at some place, in some part, for all of the current COVID-19 genetic vaccines. And what is it? Well, it's the product of a series of experiments on aborted fetuses in the 1970s from Netherlands. At the top, I quote from Dr. van der Ebb from an FDA transcription. He was the one in charge of this experiment. And ultimately what we have is human embryonic kidney cells. And essentially, it comes from a single aborted female fetus from the Netherlands from the early 1970s. And in the transcription, he confirms that the fetus was completely normal, nothing was wrong. So, totally healthy little girl in the womb was aborted and was used at some point in the research and development of all the 3 vaccines. Now, this one issue alone is enough for many Christians who are strongly pro-life. That one issue on the screen is a red line for many, many Christians. That's it. Now, there may be others from their conscience who may not have the same moral view, but everybody has a right to know that. Everybody has a right to know everything we're talking about today. This is how we make decisions, because we know. As Christians, we make different decisions sometimes. But should we not know things? Should we not be entitled to? Is it loving to our Christian brothers if we don't tell them things which might affect their conscience had they had an opportunity to reflect on it? I think it's very important. And look at the bottom there. Before this cell line was established, 293 aborted fetal experiments. So how many other little developing lives in the wombs were snatched away to establish this cell line? And people may say, well, this is how it is in science. This is how it is in pharmaceuticals. Well, we're the people of God. If we look at something and say it doesn't meet the mark, even if we haven't made a stand before, we say, that's it. That's repentance. Isn't that what repentance is?